Hello everybody, my name is Gary Williams and I'm an Infrastructure Systems Administrator. One of the pieces of software I use on a near day-to-day basis in this job role is Microsoft SQL Server. Now I'm mostly using SQL 2014 at the moment, although we are transitioning slowly towards SQL 2016. SQL is absolutely essential. It hosts all sorts of databases, from things used by various applications to databases created by our developers, and it holds things like our asset register and all sorts. So it really is an essential application for us on a day-to-day basis. Without SQL, the company really wouldn't function. So because of that, we are very keen on keeping everything in tip-top condition. That means that we are diligent with backups, restores, so on and so forth. However, there is always something that happens with SQL. There's always some corruption, some issue somewhere, and they need a database restored or they need a database repaired. When we need to go to database repairs, we use the Stellar Phoenix SQL database recovery tool, and it's absolutely brilliant piece of software. It's never let us down. It works really well. The front end is completely intuitive. It's very easy to find the file, run it through the software, and see the contents of that file once the repair has been done. And for that, it's absolutely fantastic. We've given it to our SQL admins. We use it on the infrastructure team as well, and it has never let us down. It's a great piece of software.